Hello Fumi Nation, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, oh, so lovely to have you. Today's episode is Morphe introducing Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation in collaboration with who? My girl MAKEUPSHAYLA. Better late than never, my darlings. So we have three foundations here, my darlings. We've got a foundation brush as well as a beauty sponge. Congratulations, MAKEUPSHAYLA. You know I love you. You're my girl. I'm so happy that everything is happening for you now. She just got married. She has this gorgeous collaboration. And I'm sure you have a lot more going for you going forward. Yes, my darlings. And a lot of you said, Fumi, come on, you know, we want to see how the foundation sits. I want to know how the foundation sits. I am always looking for the best foundation. And at the corner right here, it says Photo and Makeup by the one and only fabulous Danisa Myricks. And MAKEUPSHAYLA is wearing Filter Rich 26. Yeah, I've already done the makeup. I want you guys to sit right through everything so that you can see how it all played out. We're going to try out the beauty blender. We're going to also try out the brush. And we also have, I think it's like 40 foundations that they have. And this is the filter effect right here. The best filter ever in collaboration with Morphe. I just love this. And these are the foundations, naturally filtered, it says. It has the brush again, like the beauty blender. Meet MAKEUPSHAYLA. Let us bring it forward. This naturally glamorous babe stands on YouTube and IG. She sure does. Where she's loved for fitness and beauty videos that keep it real. Her ability to challenge beauty norms and inspire others with all kinds of looks has made her a longtime fave of her many fans. I'm all about beauty that represents all skin tones, which is why I'm so excited to be the face of Morphe's newest foundation that comes in 40 shades. This formula is like no other. I love how smooth and hydrated my skin feels and that I can find a shade that matches my skin perfectly. Trust me, you're gonna love this. I love it. I love it. Like she was talking. She wrote that out like she was talking. So we got that, and then we got herself and Danisa Myricks. Behind the scenes with Danisa Myricks as the creative director, photographer, and makeup artist for this campaign. This mega talented beauty lover brings her inclusive, innovative approach to every frame. She is passionate about filling the void in cosmetic marketing for ethnic skin tones and bringing those who are underrepresented into focus. My hair flipped right there. It flipped. It did. The edges just went wang. These are the shades. Filter Effect. These are the prices. England, it retails for 18 pounds. And then in the United States, $20. Canada, 27. Australia, 30. And then Europe, rest of Europe, 22. Microfiber beauty sponge. Create a smooth, natural looking finish. Here, velvety microfiber. In the United States is 10. In the United Kingdom, because I'm in the United Kingdom, it's 10. And the wide angle E63 brush retails $16 and it retails for 17 pounds. Yeah. Without any further ado, let us start, my darlings. Yeah. Okay, my darlings, are we ready? Should we dig in? Let us dig in. Let us dig in. So we have 3 shades here. Let's try them out. We have the Filter Deep 35. Let's try her on. That's a nice match. That's a nice matchy. Okay. We have the Rich 30. It's a nice shade. It's a nice shade. It is a nice shade. And then we have Rich 28. So guess what, guys? We're gonna go in with the deep, okay, and the deep 35. So I'm gonna wipe that one away. Perfect, Fooms, perfect. And then we're going to go in with Rare Beauty. Remember, Rare Beauty sent me PR, yeah. So we're going to try on the primer. Oh, it's so calming. Beautiful. Feels very jelly-like. Yeah, it feels very jelly-like. So, my darlings, I've changed my background and I am hoping to go back to IKEA and get a whole bunch of shells in the back. Yup, and then drawers so I can put all of my weaves, hair pieces and everything in. And then most probably I will try and get a stool, another stool or a cupboard, and then put my balm vase on the side there. Very artistic, very simple. What do you think, guys? Huh? Yeah. On the other side where the flowers are. Just a little something. All right, my sweets. The foundation brush. And the foundation brush is an E63 for those of you that are asking. And we also have, look at this fabulous beauty blender. Yes, I doused it in water and it feels fantastic. So let's go in, yeah? Okay, we have some foundation. I do like. It does kind of matchy match. I'm going to use the foundation brush. Best filter ever, it says. I am always in search for that perfect foundation. Yes, always. Always remember to match your foundation to your neck so that it is absolutely flawless. To me, I'll tell you, it feels nice. It feels very full coverage. The color is slightly off, little bit olivey, but it's good. I'll take it. I'm putting on some more because I really, do you see like a hue, like a hint? So no complaints though. No complaints. Oh, and you know what? Morphe has just collaborated with Ariel, Kylie Jenner's makeup artist. The brushes are to die for. I pray they send them to me in PR. All right, what do we think, my darlings? What do we think? I like it. Huh? Do we like? I think I like it. All right, so I'm going to go with Juvia's stick foundation. I have this in Benin. I love this. It's like totally the best. And so I'm just going to dot it along underneath my eyes, a little bit on my cheek loops right here, and then just take it up. Okay. Right there. It's just less messy, you know? That's what I like about it. And then down the bridge of my nose. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover. Put a little here. It's almost finished. This is what it looks like. Voila. The Double Wear Maximum Cover. I'm gonna try and just put this on. Just take a little bit and just put that in right to the top and blend it out. Flip it to the other side. Do the other eye. Huh. Some of you were saying, Fumi, please do an asthma video. Is that how you call it? And I'm like, okay, I'll do something for you guys. And just hearing this beauty blender pound onto my face, I'm like, okay, Fums, maybe. Let me take this beauty blender so I don't spread the product too far, because we still want to see the foundation that I have applied. I'm always in search of the perfect foundation. Always, 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 always. And then just put that over. Okay. And just bring that back down. There you go, so we can see the head. So we can see the head. Because this is lovely, but it's huge for my small face. It is huge for my small face. So I think that I like the foundation much better than the sponge. Okay, if you got a small face like me, when you see me, you'll be like, oh my God, your face is so small. It is. You'll be kind of surprised because I'm tall, I'm 5'9", and my face is pretty small. So I think I've minimized that. Then we're going to go in with some Laura Mercier. I like Laura Mercier, yes, for setting powder. Yeah, and this is the translucent medium deep Laura Mercier. We're gonna put a little bit on. Ba, 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 ba. I always do this with my hand so that I don't have too much, because I don't want the setting powder to cake. So you just want it really to be translucent, and this translucent powder is as light as air. I do love it. I do love it. Yeah. Do you know, I think I like this foundation. I think I like it. I think I do. We're going to go in with Fenty 450. Let me open this up. And we're going to bronze the face, because we want to see what it looks like, what it's giving us. You know, what is it giving us? And this just brings back the color and makes you look nice and alive. And then just swirl it underneath the chin. I just might give you guys a wear test, because my girlfriend Christina is coming today. I love, love, love Christina. She's a friend. She's a sister. She came with me when I had my collab with Juvia's place. She came with me to New York. She came with me to LA. She helped me with Adrian so much. So much. I don't know how I can ever repay her. Looking back, when you need somebody to trust with your baby, it was Christina. It was Christina. So she's coming today. So I just might go out with her. I'm gonna put on some more powder. I like this. Yes. What do we think, guys? What do we think? I'm gonna come a little closer so that you guys can see. And this was the 35 deep. So what do we think about the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation? I've put on my concealer, I've contoured. Wow. All right, so you know what I'm going to do, my darlings? I'm going to put on my brows, I'm going to put on my makeup, and I'll be right back. Yes. Guys, I love it. I love it. I'm going to be giving away the 2 foundations. These ones in the rich. I'm in the deep category, and it was a deep 35. They were close with that one. The beauty sponge is lovely, but it's too big for my little face. Having said that, it washes out like a dream. Because I used it, you saw me use it. It's all washed out. And then the brush is gorgeous. The brush is absolutely gorgeous. I like the foundation. I will be using it a lot. 100%. So Fumi, my darling, is it F.D.V approved? Yes, Makeup Shayla. It is absolutely F.D.V approved. And my darlings, for an extra treat, if you love this makeup tutorial, something very, very simple. This is your Zoom call meeting makeup. Going back to work, you still look gorgeous, my darling. Give them hell. Just click the link below. Yup, I got it for you, my darlings. Yes, 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 I got it for you. I'll see you tomorrow, all of my love. Bye. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share. All right? Bye. Hello, my darlings. Guess who's here? Christina, say hi. We are finished with lockdown. We can see each other. We are laughing. We are having fun. Just look at the African toy she bought for Adrian. Just look. I want to cry. So thoughtful. Thank you. How are you, my darlings? I've missed Christina. I haven't seen Christina
in a minute.
In a minute, we're coming down. We were at my studio. I was showing her the changes that I had made in my studio. She loves them.
So well, though, from the last time I saw it.
Because I work every day. And I'm going to do that for the next year.
Ooh.
Yeah. I want to see the return, but I need to do the work.
Oh, yeah, put it work, though.
Girl, when I tell you, back to back. Anything for you guys. Christina, how are you? Yes, I've missed you, girl. You look good. I love that pink. Oh. Yeah. All right, guys, this is a real time. I've got my kaftan on. Who cares? We just want to see the foundation. I am living for it. It's a runway up in here. I live for it. I do live for it, guys. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Christina, my darling.
Hi.
How are we, honey? Oh, I love it. Yeah,
it's beautiful. It looks like skin.
And it's from the deep category. I think 35. I got the 35.
Perfect match.
Yeah. Thank you, Morphe. Look at it here.
That is beautiful.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
It does work. Makeup Shayla and Danisa Myricks. Danisa Myricks did all of the creativity for it and everything. She did the makeup. Though. She did the photography also. She did the
photography.
Yeah. She's Richard's friend. Yeah.
Did I say that on camera?
Yeah.